Hello everybody, welcome back. It's my pleasure to introduce Dr. Wolfgang Clemens, who's Director of Product Management and Business Development at PolyIC. Wolfgang is going to give us a talk on smart HMI surfaces with integrated touch sensors and decoration. Please do leave your questions on the sidebar and we'll take the questions at the end of the talk. Over to you, Wolfgang.
Hi, Chris. Thank you. Thanks a lot for this nice introduction. And I'm glad to give you an overview about our activities in human-machine interface surfaces with integrated touch sensors, which is our basic product, and the decoration which we do within our mother company, Kurz. So my presentation will be sorted like this. So I will talk a little bit about the HMI trends in automotive. Of course, I will give a short overview about PolyIC itself as a Kurz company, about our touch sensors, how they look like, how they work, and how they're produced. And of course, then how our HMI surfaces look like based on products and some use cases for decoration, light, and function. Okay, yes. So what are the trends? So we see two major trends in the interior from our point of view. One, you see here two pictures of the interior of show cars from BMW and Nissan. So what you see is a lot of light, a lot of function everywhere, but the function is somewhere hidden. On the right side, you only see decorative parts, light parts. You see hidden displays which only appear when you need them. You see the parts are large, are curved, are seamless, and somewhat shy-tech, which means you see the function only when you need them. This is one trend, and there is let's say another trend which is running in parallel, which is a little bit more practical. So the first trend was more from the design oriented, and this one is more practical. That means the mechanical switches are simply disappearing. So in my age, I'm called a little bit the Golf generation. So I drove several Golfs, and so I show it on the Volkswagen Golf here as an example. To 2019, you still saw the rotary mechanical switch for light switch on and off, and you saw the mechanical switches on the steering wheel. And since last year, at least on some models, you don't have these mechanical switches anymore. You have a capacitive touch switch for the light activation, and you have capacitive switches for the steering wheel. By the way, the sensors underneath these are from us. And yeah, you see, on the one hand, design driven, on the other hand, very practically driven. The capacitive switches are coming, and the step is happening right now. And we are going to support it within the Kurz group, and especially PolyIC from the point of view of sensors. So PolyIC, a short introduction. We were founded in 2003, and we were founded as a joint venture between the electronics company Siemens and Leonhard Kurz as a decoration company. And since 2010, we are 100% part of Kurz. So we are a Kurz company, and we are placed in Fürth in the southern part of Germany. And our products are capacitive touch sensors, which we call PolyIC. It's a brand name of the product. They are based on transparent conductive films. And so we at PolyIC on engineering and on product management, while the sales is done by our mother company, Kurz. So finally, you will be you will sell Kurz products from us. Okay, so our sensors look like this. So what you see on the right side here is a roll of polyester film, which is several kilometers long. So we produce it on a very high volume scale. We make very fine lines of silver here, which we call metal mesh, which is good for a very high electrical conductivity, at the same time at high transparency and optical quality due to the polyester is very thin and lightweight. And of course, we make customized high volume production. The Kurz group is a very big group with more than 5,000 employees